Hey there, let me ask you something. Does life ever feel like you're stuck playing the hardest level of a video game without any cheat codes? Like you're trying to pass that one impossible boss fight, and no matter what you do, boom, game over. Bills piling up, work feels like a never ending to do list. And let's not even get started on that laundry pile that could qualify as a mountain. If that sounds like you, buckle up. Because what if I told you there's a cheat code for life? Yep, an actual strategy you can use right now to make everything feel just a bit easier. And hey, maybe even fun. Welcome back to Wise Joe. If you're new here, do yourself a favor and smash that subscribe button. Seriously, don't just lurk. We drop life changing insights every single week, and you, my friend, don't want to miss out. All right, enough chit chat. Let's get into it. Step 1. Embrace a playful mindset. Yes, like a kid. All right, be honest. When was the last time you just played? No, I don't mean binge watching Netflix, though. No judgment. I'm guilty too. I mean played. Like running around, dancing like a maniac, building a pillow fort, something that made you laugh so hard you snorted. As adults, we act like play is for kids. But let me tell you something. Kids have it figured out. They scrape their knee, cry for 2 seconds, and next thing you know, they're back to chasing butterflies. Why? Because they don't take life so seriously. Here's what you do. Next time you're stressed, put on your favorite throwback jam. Yes, even if it's that embarrassing boy band song. Close the blinds and dance like you just got hired as Beyoncé's backup dancer. Or build a blanket fort, grab a snack, and binge watch cartoons from your childhood. It's not just fun, it's science. Play releases endorphins, and those little guys are like happiness ninjas, fighting off stress. So go ahead, be goofy. Life's too short to act like you've got it all together all the time. Step 2. Practice gratitude, but make it fun. Ugh, gratitude journaling? Really, Joe? Listen, I get it. Writing down, I'm grateful for my family every day gets old fast. Let's spice it up. Instead of the usual stuff, get creative. How about, I'm grateful my coffee wasn't a total disaster this morning? Or, shout out to that random dog I saw on my walk. 10 out of 10, adorable floof. Here's a challenge. For 1 week, find the weirdest thing to be grateful for. Stubbed your toe? Hey, at least your reflexes work. Got rained on? Boom! Free car wash. Life's full of little gems if you look for them. Plus, focusing on these small wins trains your brain to spot positivity like a heat-seeking missile. And honestly, wouldn't you rather be hunting for good vibes than doom scrolling social media? Exactly. Step 3. Reframe challenges as opportunities, aka the plot twist method. Let's be real. When life hits you with a plot twist, your first reaction is usually, why me? But what if you flipped that and thought, all right, what's the lesson here? Because, hear me out, every movie hero faces setbacks. Imagine if Frodo was like, ugh, walking to Mordor is hard, I'm out. No epic adventure, no cool battle scenes, just Frodo binge-watching Hobbit TV shows. Boring. Got stuck in traffic? Perfect time to belt out power ballads like you're on The Voice. Lost your job? Maybe it's the push you need to pursue that passion project, or finally start selling those quirky socks you knit. When you reframe problems as opportunities, you stop feeling like a victim and start feeling like the main character in an underdog story. Cue inspirational montage music. Step 4. Surround yourself with positive people. Energy vampires, be gone. You ever spend time with someone who leaves you feeling like you just ran a marathon emotionally? Yeah, we call those people energy vampires. And unless they're paying your rent or literally saving your life, you do not need that kind of negativity in your circle. Instead, seek out people who light you up, the ones who text you random memes at 2 a.m. or hype you up for wearing that bold outfit you weren't sure about. Can't find those people in real life? That's what this community is for. Drop a comment, make a friend. We're all about good vibes and mutual support. Because let's face it, Life's way more fun when you're surrounded by people who cheer for you like you just won the Super Bowl. Step 5. Take action, even if it's teeny tiny. Look, overthinking is like a rocking chair. It gives you something to do but gets you nowhere. How many times have you said, I'll start Monday only for Monday to roll around and nada? Newsflash. Perfect timing doesn't exist. You just gotta start. Want to get healthier? Don't sign up for an Ironman triathlon. Just take a walk after dinner. Dreaming of writing a book? Write one sentence, just one. Momentum is like a snowball. It starts small but rolls into something unstoppable. And hey, while you're taking action, why not double down and hit that like button? Not only does it help more people find this video, but it lets me know you're picking up what I'm putting down. Plus, it's free. And who doesn't love free stuff? Step 6. Visualize your victory. Your brain loves a good movie. Imagine this. You're lying in bed at night, and instead of replaying every embarrassing thing you've ever said since 2009, you start visualizing your future self absolutely crushing it. Science backs this up. Visualization isn't just woo-woo stuff. It literally fires up the same brain areas as actually doing the thing. So picture yourself nailing that presentation, finishing that workout, or living your dream life. Make it vivid. What are you wearing? How does success feel? Bonus points if you add a movie soundtrack in your head. Who doesn't love a good montage? Step 7. Celebrate the small wins, confetti optional, but encouraged. Why do we wait for massive milestones to celebrate? Nah, not here. Got out of bed today when you didn't want to? Victory dance. Finally folded that mountain of laundry? Throw yourself a parade. Achieved inbox 0? Okay, you're basically a superhero now. Celebrating small wins keeps you motivated and makes the journey way more fun. Pro tip, create a victory playlist and blast it whenever you accomplish something, even if that something is just making it through Monday. Step 8, practice saying no. Your time is valuable, my friend. Here's a truth bomb. Every time you say yes to something you don't really want to do, you're saying no to your own priorities. Ouch, right? Look, your energy is precious. Don't waste it on things that drain you. Practice saying no without over-explaining. Need help? Try this. Thanks for thinking of me, but I can't commit right now. Boom. Polite, respectful, and no guilt required. Protect your peace like it's your Netflix password. Your mission, should you choose to accept it. Here's your challenge. The next time life throws you a curveball, and trust me, it will, pause. Take a breath. Pick one of these steps and do it. Even if it feels silly, especially if it feels silly. Life isn't about avoiding challenges, it's about leveling up through them. So, what's your go-to cheat code when life gets tough? Let's swap ideas in the comments. I want to hear your tips. And remember, no matter how hard life gets, you're stronger, smarter, and funnier than you think. You've got this. Catch you in the next video, and hey, don't forget, life's a game. Might as well play it like you're here to win.